Wednesday. So, yan. Pauwi akong lunch. Bumili lang nito ng chocolate drinks. Buti hindi masyadong mainit. Ayun guys, so nagmamadali ako kasi nahabol ko si Cha. Ayun, makikisabay kami sa pagsundo kay CJ. Ako pala. So, maaga akong malis sa office, parang 11:50. Parang kasi work from home si Cha ngayon. So, kailangan ko umuwi muna para makasabay. Super pagod. Ayan, super medyo na-late ako kanina pagpasok ng umaga kasi nga pinanood ko muna yung vlog nila Judy. So yun nga, nasa Pinas silang ngayon. So kaya mahaba yun, parang 22 minutes yata yung super tinapos ko. So ayan, malapit na ako. Buti na lang hindi masyadong mainit. Ha? Oh my God. Okay, you get it.
You talked the wrong thing. You talked the wrong thing.
What do you mean? I don't
You talked
understand.
the wrong thing.
Okay, whatever. Let's eat. Ano yung pakbet ulit?
I talked the good thing.
Dinin.
I talked.
Okay, come on. Let's eat.
Ang mutit, ano ba?
Wait, wait,
Kain.
wait.
Come on.
Wait.
Nagtataka si CJ kasi nga nilagay ni Val yung mat, yung table mat. Kasi nga pang may birthday lang itong ginagamit.
Dito na lang.
Sabi niya sino daw may birthday. Yan, pabalik ulit. So, si Joel nga pala hindi na umuwi ng lunch. Parang 2 araw na siyang hindi umuwi ng lunch kasi nga daw para hindi siya makakatulog ng tanghali. So, yun. So, hindi na ako nakapag-lipstick kasi nagmamadali ako kasi nga to si CJ nakabantay na naman sa akin. So, ninja moves na naman ng lola niyo. So, ayun. Swimming si Joel. Ang lamig niya, numulan eh. Hi.
Why do you need to go anywhere again?
Because mommy needs to work, remember?
Oh, you didn't look. I know you fast, Daddy.
I fetched daddy. Okay.
Yeah, you forgot.
Say hi first.
You take it a little bit for your very long day. It's a little bit. Job.
Okay. Say hi first.
Look at this.
Say hi first.
Hi. And look at this.
Okay, I'm so
Why is it stuck in any walls? Anywhere in here.
Did you took a nap?
Yep.
Very good. Did you went to Jaina's house?
Napido.
Huh?
Napido.
No? Why?
Napido.
Let's eat. Bicol Express. Your chin, baby ko. Ang dami mo naman dala.
Who's the dog?
I don't know. Let's eat.
Mommy.
Let's eat.
I need that. I need those.
Can I have those, please?
Can I have those, please?
Okay. Kain, guys. May banyo king tayo eh. Banyo king. Improving. Nag-aalamang na si Charlie. Dati hindi marunong kumain yan eh, ng alamang. Pero yung bagong isda ayaw mo pa rin.
Ayaw.
Hoy, enough, let's eat first.
Come on, I'll help you. I'll help you on that later.
2 months naman. Hi guys. Are you done eating? Oh, you're not done eating. Hi guys. So ayan, gagawa ako ng leche puto. Dadaling ko bukas sa office. Yun. Ha. Ayun, ba yun? Bakit ba ako magdadala? Wala lang. Kasi nga, gusto ko nga ewan ko, dati pa, simula nung nag-start ako mag-bake-bake, nagdadala-dala ako ng mga binibake ko, pinapatry ko sa kanila. So, ito, at least mapapabaunan ko rin si Daddy bukas. Ito na yung flan. So, dadagdag ko na yung puto mixture. Ayan. Ayan, ang first batch. Ayan. Perfect naman. Let me know kung gusto niyo ng recipe ulit. So, if ever dalawa na yung utang ko sa inyo. Ayan. Good morning, guys. So, happy Thursday and late na ako. Hindi na nga ako manonood ng mga vlogs every morning. Doon ako nalilate eh. As in, natapos ko yung vlogs ni Race, ni It's Judy, ni Anne, ng kay Sis Icy. Ang dami ko napanood. So, ayan. Late na naman ako. 9:50 na. Kumusta naman? So, ayan. Papasok na ako. And haggardness na. Ayan. Nasa bahay na kami. So, open, please! Say open, please! Kain, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda na nasakyan namin ni Noel. Ano te?
Sabihin mo may Harry Potter mo.
May libreng panood pa. Ang cute nila nung bata sila, no?
Oo. Yung babae, maganda rin lumaki.
Oo. Pero yung...
Yung mga lalaki, pumaki.
Oo. Ayan, merienda namin. Tagtipid kami ngayon. Wala pa si Noel. Okay. Hi.
He was fighting with Yuna.
Hmm?
He was fighting with Yuna again.
Let's properly. Let's properly.
Were you a good boy? Hmm? Diyos mio, pag uwi pa lang, sumbong na agad. Well, buhay nanay. Parang araw-araw na lang yata ng pag uwi ko may sumbong. Don't do that again, understand? You have to say sorry to Ate Yuna, okay?
And go swimming.
No, it's night time. Good boy naman yung mga boys namin pag nandito ako eh. Let's eat. Korean chicken again. Then, baggy beans. Next, let's eat.
See.
Your chin. Shield.
I'll punch you. So strong.
Oh.